hindi rin niya alam paano tatapusin. And so, whenever I don't know how to end my sharing, usually it will last for about 3 to 4 hours. Okay, so you compute. Okay, anong oras kayo makaka-uwi? Okay lang po ba? Okay, pwede ba palakpakalari lahat na naging speakers natin for this today? You see, I was at the back actually thinking of what to share to you because today has nothing but just overwhelming for a lot of us, especially the leaders who attended the STAR meeting. Tama ba? Yes! Very overwhelming because just today I just realized and just I was just reminded just how good Riway International is. Okay, I have to start, I want to start by sharing how I started inside Riway International. I started, pero short lang to, don't worry po, hindi to 1 hour. So, I started in Riway International at the age of 21. I was a mere fresh graduate. Okay, wala po akong trabaho, wala rin akong mga connections, wala akong pera. Okay, bakit? Di ba lahat naman tayo, whenever we, ang lamig naman. When people graduate from college, may pera po ba yan? Wala. Kaya nga po, everyone at the age of 21 years old is looking for opportunities. But it's just that when I graduated, Riway International is already in my family because 2 years prior my graduation, so that was in 2017, my parents started Riway joining. Ano ba sabi ko? My parents joined Riway International in the year of 2017. So the purpose of joining Riway is not really to do business, but actually just to take the product. Okay. Do you think after all these sharings and all these product presentations kanina, do you think the product is good?
Yes.
Okay. Totoo ba?
Yes.
Kasi from the stage, I can look and I can see people who are not wearing black, but they are confident that they find that pure tear is effective. Okay, so ang tanong ko, nakapag-take na po ba kayo?
Yes.
Okay, yung leaders, of course, yes yan, di ba? But for those who are coming in for the first time, may I see the hands of first-timers tonight? Pwede ba palang pakilala yung first-timers natin? And that's how we started. That's how we started. Just merely to take the product. But it's just that during the when we took the product and we started sharing it, instantly, nagkaroon po yung accounts ng mother and ng father ko ng income without knowing anything about the business at all. Okay? And so when I started Riway, I did not come for the product kasi I was young. Wala po akong mga gamot, wala po akong sakit na kailangan gamutin agad-agad. Wala akong cancer, wala akong anything else. But ang main purpose ko when I joined the business is to make sure that my parents are not being scammed. Okay? Kasi when people tell you that this company is so good, tama ba? So good that sometimes so good to be true. Correct? So good to be true, but this is what Riway International have. Whenever people would create businesses and they would create products, usually the main motivation of that business and that product is to create profit. Are you following?
Yes.
It is to create profit. But you know, Riway International did not, its motivation is not to create profit. Bakit po? If Riway International's main purpose is merely just to create profit, then I believe this is how the boss should have done the business. Okay, if I was the boss, okay, I would create many bottles, let's say 10, 20 bottles. I would put stem cell in all of those bottles, but one bottle stem cell with, let's say, something good with the heart. Another bottle stem cell with something good for the liver, something good with the kidneys, something good for the skin. Are you following? Yes. So I would create products of stem cells and pair it with many, many ingredients. Okay, but different products. So if my purpose is to create profit. But you know, Riway International, as you have seen a while ago, Riway International only has one product. Pwede ba palakpakan natin si Riway? So, before I start with my share, di ba nag-share na ako pero hindi pa pala nag-start. Okay, I want to share a story with you. Is that okay? Yes. Okay. It is a story that I just saw on Facebook this morning. Okay, it is about the story of a family. Okay, so in a family there is a mother, there is a father, and there is a daughter. Okay, so one morning, while they are having a breakfast, so the mother and the father are talking about some of their clients and the things that they will do today. But suddenly, while they are talking, the daughter accidentally spilled the coffee to the dad. Okay. So, nung na-spill po yung coffee, natapunan yung white na damit ng dad. Ang reaction po ng dad is that nagmura-mura yung dad, sinigawan niya yung bata, pinagalitan niya yung bata. Bakit? Kasi malilate na siya, natapunan pa yung damit niya. And so what was the reaction of the child? The child cried. And of course, the child cried. And so, after the crying, ang ginawa ng dad, umakyat sa room, nagpalit ng damit. And so, because of these circumstances, unti-unti po, nalilate na sila lahat. Tama ba? And so, when the dad was going to the workplace, okay, kailangan pa niyang i-drop off yung anak niya, of course. And this would make him more late to the appointments that he has. But, dahil nga masama yung loob ng bata dun sa tatay niya, okay, bumaba yung bata na hindi nagbababay sa dad niya. Hindi nagbababay sa mother niya. And the whole day of that child suddenly ruined. Tama ba? After dropping the child to the school, the father went to the work 5 minutes, 10 minutes late to the appointment. And kailangan pa niya mag-set up ng laptop niya because may meeting siya and all of those things. So immediately, not immediately, but all of these things, ano po ang nag-start?
Stress.
Spilled coffee. Tama ba? But let's see, paano kung hindi nagalit yung tatay? Tama ba? So, again, balikan natin in the morning, natapon yung coffee, pero hindi nagalit yung dad. Ano sabi ng dad? It's okay, it's just an accident, I'll just change my clothes. And immediately, nagpalit siya ng damit. Okay, so yung mood ng bata, hindi nasira. Yung araw ng bata, hindi nasira. And dahil walang nag-iyakan, hindi rin na-late yung bata sa school, at hindi rin na-late yung tatay sa work. What is the moral of the story? Why am I sharing this to you? It's because a lot of our actions, a lot of the results of our days depend highly on our actions or during the morning or during the whole day. Tama ba? Yes. And because of this, when you join Riway, when you do Riway business, you will come across a lot of people. Okay? And when we come across a lot of people, that means that we are also coming across a lot of different backgrounds, different upbringing, different culture. Okay? Sabihin man natin na Pilipino tayo lahat, pero kung paano pinalaki ang isang tao sa Bisaya, iba rin yan sa mga Ilonggo, iba rin yan sa mga taga Manila. Tama ba? Even though we are all Filipinos. So, because of this, along the way, when you join Riway International Business, you will face a lot of what we call resistance. Pwede bang ulitin niyo yung word na yun? Resistance. Resistance is basically rejections and criticisms, especially when you are coming from someone who has been somebody. Okay, let me tell you an example. Here inside Riway, we have a lot of doctors, we have a lot of lawyers, teachers, and whenever people would hear that these people are successful businessmen, they would drop their jobs, they would drop their businesses, they would drop their professions and join Three-Way International, there would instantly be resistance. Anong sasabihin ng mga tao? Ha? Bakit ka nag-MLM? Bakit ka nag-networking? Tama ba? Ang galing-galing mo na before, ang taas-taas na ng posisyon mo, ang taas-taas na ng narating mo, ang layo-layo na, ganito ka na dati, ganito ka na, bakit nag-Three-Way ka pa? Tama ba? But you see, whether or not our resistance is good or not depends highly on how much strength a person has. Okay, I will repeat it. Whether resistance is good or not depends highly on how much strength each person has inside of us. So meaning, it can only be two things. You face resistance. First is you face resistance and you allow the resistance or these criticisms to affect you and you stop seeing the potential in the business. Or number two, you face resistance, you face criticisms, and then you don't allow these to get inside you and you move forward, you look forward, and you make sure that you have to create results for yourself. Bakit? Because, thank you po. Bakit? You have to move to prove to people that three-way business or whatever you are doing right now, you have to prove to people that it is actually working. Pwede bang palakpakan natin? And so, whenever we think what do you call this? Resistance. Sabi natin kanina, resistance. But it's not just 100% resistance. Tama ba? When you go out there and you meet resistance, you also can go out there and you meet a lot of people who will support you. Okay? Who are supporting you right now? It could be your leaders, it could be your uplines, it could be your own teams, it could be your own family, or even it could also be three-way management. But you see, support is a double-edged sword. Okay, what do I mean by this? Support is you can get support and still not get success. Tama ba? You can get support and still not be able to succeed. Bakit? Kasi success is not equal and success is not dependent on how much support a person has.
Correct.
Okay? So right now, support could be a double-edged sword. Bakit po? But if you don't know how to use this support into your own advantage, into your own strength, then it is useless. Okay? Support, if you don't know how to use it, it could turn anybody into someone who relies heavily on other people on doing things on their behalf. Okay? And so, speaking of support and speaking of strength, if there is anyone that I know, okay, that I can heavily say that is a man of strength, I believe that that man of strength is Mr. Lim Boon Hong, our CEO. Pwede ba palakpakan natin yun? Why? Because, not because, Lim Boon Hong, okay, Lim Boon Hong or Mr. Lim Boon Hong, our boss, is not a man of strength because he has superpowers like Spider-Man, like Superman, or like Iron Man, but because this person, Mr. Lim Boon Hong, he is a man of strength because of how he was able to create a business from the ground up. Okay, from the ground up. Meaning, the last time, 17 years ago, when the boss is just creating or starting to create Three-Way International, he has the choice to start it big. Okay, but he did not choose to. Bakit po? Because he believes that he can start it small and he can show to other people that it can be done. Even if you don't have enough connections, even if you don't have the money, even if you don't have the talent. Bakit po? When Three-Way International was created, Lim Boon Hong, our CEO, made sure that this company and everything you see, everything you hear about this company can turn into an advantage. So, meaning all of this support that the company has, all of these events, all of these things are made to make sure that each of us, even though wala ka nagsistart, okay, that only means that everything that we see in Riway International can potentially make us into successful people. Do you want to be successful?
Yes.
Yes. So, right now, kaya hindi ko po pahahabain ang aking sharing. Right now, I want to invite you all. Wala na. Okay. Wag mo na eh. Okay.